Nick, you've been in the turf industry for over 20 years and you literally wrote the book on it. What made you go, screw it, I'm going to invent my own turf cleaning machine?
Honestly, I got tired of watching people ruin good turf with cheap power brooms that might damage the turf, and it couldn't handle just even the basic debris. After 2 decades in the industry, I knew exactly what was missing, so I built something that I wanted, something powerful, efficient, and easy enough for my own mom to use. That's where the Turf Power Sweep became.
Okay, tell me how the Turf Power Sweep works. Like, is this a Roomba on steroids for turf, or what? What's different about it?
It's a self-propelled, battery-powered beast with stiff bristle brushes that are more of the traditional power broom head. So it also has a built-in debris catcher, so as you're going, it's cleaning it up.
You mentioned this thing is battery powered. Is that by design to cut noise and emissions, or were you just sick of gas powered gear?
Gas machines are loud, messy, and a pain to maintain. And the other ones with the cords, you trip over them, you tangle them up, you got to find a plug-in. Battery tech has came a long way. And now I can offer something that's quieter, more powerful, with a press of a button. No fumes, no cords, no drama. It just works.
How tough is this machine? I've got buddies with turf in places where there's dog hair, leaves, beer cans from the night before. Will this thing handle all that?
Yep. It'll chew through leaves, pet hair, dust, pollen, even pull up those little turf pellets, what I call the infill, and redistribute them evenly. As for beer cans, well, let's just nudge it out of the way and let you know this is not your trash compactor.
Is this something only pros would use, or could a regular homeowner buy this and use it like they'd use a leaf blower or a lawnmower?
It was built with pros in mind, but absolutely any homeowner with turf can use it. If you've invested in turf, you should be maintaining it, right? This tool makes it simple. You wouldn't buy a luxury car and never wash it. Same thing here.
Let's talk about Turf Animal. You made a cleaner that's safe for kids, pets, and uses enzymes to break stuff down. What inspired that?
We kept hearing the same complaints. My turf stinks, or my dog keeps peeing in the same spot and it smells like ammonia. And it especially would get worse and worse during the spring and summer. I couldn't find a product that was all natural and safe for kids and pets that actually worked. So I made one. Turf Animal uses live enzymes to break down odor at the source.
How does this compare to those chemical turf sprays or just hosing it down? Like, what's actually happening at the microbial level?
The enzymes are alive. They're like microscopic janitors. They go in, eat the waste and organic matter, causing the stink, and break it down completely. It's not masking the smell with a perfume. It's neutralizing it at the root cause. No pun intended.
You can't say it repels mosquitoes, EPA stuff, but I heard you guys are using citrus oils. So what can you say? It smells better than your ex's backyard, or what?
Yeah, we can't legally say it repels mosquitoes. That's a big EPA red tape. But the citrus oils we use naturally makes it less attractive for bugs. It just smells fresh and clean. That's the best way I can say without getting a fine.
I've got dogs, man, pee everywhere. How often would someone need to apply Turf Animal for it to stay clean and not smell like a kennel?
If you've got dogs that are regular contributors, once or twice a week is perfect. Just spray it on, let it sit, and you're good to go. In high traffic zones or summer heat, bump it up. It's easy, safe enough to use every day if you wanted.
This whole turf cleaning game, it's not just about looks, right? You're talking about health, bacteria, even cooling the surface. Is this the future of turf care?
Absolutely. The turf used to be set it and forget it, or that's what all of us told people 20 years ago when we started. But now people want clean, safe, long-lasting installs. And that takes maintenance. Turf Animal helps protect and clean, and pair it with a Turf Power Sweep. You've got a full turf care ecosystem.